Hi, I'm Felicity, registered nurse, cosmetic injector and clinic owner. Welcome to my channel, The Fit Injector. Today is episode 25 of the Gift of Healthy Skin series, our very final video. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you so much for joining me in this series, and I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have, and I hope that you've learned some new things to improve your skin by today and in the future. If you made it this far, now I actually wasn't sure I was going to make it at about that halfway mark, because this is the most crazy idea that my husband could have thrown at me during this month. But if you made it this far, thank you, and I would like to share with you an update on the new clinic. So firstly, the applicants. I had some incredibly strong applicants apply to my hiring video for the registered nurse positions, and I'm so excited to let you know that I've hired 2 incredible registered nurses to start with me when the clinic's ready early next year. Secondly, we have done a brand refresh of the Fit Injector, which I'm going to share with you now. And thirdly, we also have our design concept for what the clinic's going to look like, which I'd also love to share with you now. And I'd also like to make note, because I've had a few questions about it, the plan is, fingers and toes crossed, if everything goes to plan, that we will be opening in March next year. So let's take a look at the branding refresh. So we have worked with Tom from TJ Creates, who has been absolutely incredible. He's worked with some amazing people all around the world, and he was always going to be our go-to to help us with this. So what I wanted to create was, I didn't want to change the brand completely, but I wanted it to be an evolution of where I've come to and where I'd like to go. So let's take a look at the main logo here. The circle or the oval represents a lot of those contours and shapes that we'll have throughout the new clinic. We've got those touches of pink, the F for Felicity, and also the Fit Injector. And that little star is all about enhancing your natural beauty. Now we have a few options of this which will go across different things. So the front of the clinic, throughout the clinic, on the skincare, on the business cards, and also on social media as well. And let's take a look at the design. It's absolutely incredible. So we're going to have 5 treatment rooms, all very similar and all able to treat both with cosmetic injectables and all of our skincare devices in every single room. We've got 2 waiting areas, depending on whether you'd like to sit at the front or a little bit more quietly at the back, or also you can use that area up the back after your treatments if you just want to take a few minutes and enjoy tea, coffee, refreshments, snacks from our refreshment bar after your treatment. Here we also have a makeup and beauty bar, and we're going to have lots of opportunities for you to come and get your makeup done, and also running lots of events nights. We have kitchens and bathrooms, and also a lovely reception area. Thank you so much for watching this video and this series. I've absolutely loved doing this. Merry Christmas, and I hope you've enjoyed that sneak little peek at what the new clinic and the branding refresh looks like. Drop any comments below, give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe. I'm taking January off YouTube, I'm having a break, and I'll see you early next year.